Hey everyone, Francis here. I hope week 1 went smoothly. We're working hard to get through all of your submissions, and we'll get back to you soon with personalized feedback. Now, before discussing week 2, I'd like to go over emails. While we've gotten plenty of emails from teams regarding questions, we wanted to open up another line of communication between our team and yours. Please have every member on your team fill out the form in the description below. It will add your team to our new project mailing list. You'll be sent future challenge videos and updates throughout the week. That's all from me. To let you know more about our new challenge, let me introduce you to Garrett Montiero.
Hi guys, my name is Garrett, and I'm the Vice President of CAPED and a software engineer at WorldLeader, where I create interactive installations for theme parks and other location-based entertainment. This week, we'll be exploring a very important part of the theme park industry, communication. Once you've created your ride story, you need to figure out how to present it. In our industry, that means you'll need to communicate to 3 key groups of people: artists, engineers, and executives. Your task this week will be to create a finished piece of concept art, a layout and ride plan for your attraction, and a final presentation pitch. Each group you're presenting to will have different needs, and you'll have to take these into account. First up are the artists. For this group, you'll prepare a finalized piece of concept art. For the artists on each team, this is your time to shine. Your goal for this presentation is to capture the atmosphere and art direction of the ride. Pick a key scene of your ride story and imagine what it might be like to experience this scene from the guest's perspective. Should the audience be scared? Make the scene darker using intense shadows and colors. Should the audience be excited? Fill the scene with movement and bright colors. Your concept art doesn't have to be totally accurate, but it should get the feeling of the scene across. Next are the engineers. In our industry, the artists and engineers work hand in hand, clashing and collaborating to make the story come to life. You need to create engineering schematics, or drawings. For this group, your project will be a scale ride layout. This is where you'll break out your graph paper, set a scale, and show us how big your ride will be. How many rooms will your ride go through if it's indoors? How big will they be? How far away will scenes be from the ride vehicle? How big is the ride vehicle? We're looking for a physical representation of your ride here, so draw to scale, draw carefully, and draw accurately. Finally, you need someone to pay for your attraction. Often, rides are designed by outside companies, bidding for the chance to work with teams like Walt Disney Imagineering or Universal Creative. To bid successfully, you need to be able to sell your ride to the executives. Here's a scenario. You're designing your ride, and you're given the opportunity to attend an upcoming pitch meeting. At this meeting will be a senior ride engineer, a senior creative executive, and the CEO of Walt Disney Imagineering. How will you present all aspects of your project to them? Your starting point might be a PowerPoint presentation or an idea board. How will you communicate the artistic and technical details of your ride to this specific audience? This is your chance to synthesize everything you've done so far into a final presentable project. Take into account all of the work you've done and show us what your ride is all about. This is our last week working with these feature attractions. Next week, we'll start exploring some of the other aspects that go into theme park design, so be sure to give this week all you've got. I'm excited to see what you all produce. Remember, this challenge will be due at 5 p.m. on Friday, April 17th. See you real soon.